Nagpapasalamat ako sa pamunuan ng Net25 sa pagkakasama ko sa paglaganap ng himpilang ito at sa pagbibigay daan sa akin upang maging bahagi ng kasaysayan at tagumpay ng himpilan na magdiriwang ng 25 years in 2025. I've had the privilege of being involved with major broadcast networks here in the Philippines, and I am fortunate to finally call a network filled with potential my home. Net25 has every capability to become one of the top media networks in the country and hold influence to inspire audiences around the world. Ang Net25 ay natatangi, tunay itong nagbibigay ng maasahang balita at entertainment na akmang-akma sa pamilyang Pilipino, anumang antas ng kanyang buhay. Like the rest of the management team, I am committed. Inaalay ko ang aking serbisyo at ang aking kaalaman upang tulungan pa ang Net25 na makamit ang mas marami pang tagumpay sa susunod pang kabanata ng himpilan. Kaya samahan niyo kami sa pagbubukas ng isang bagong simula sa Net25. Muli, maraming salamat. Nais kong ipakilala ang angkor ng Open for Business, isa sa ating mga programang nakatuon sa kapakanan ng mga micro, small, and medium enterprises, ang executive producer and host ng Open for Business, at ang president ng Net25, si Cesar Vallejos.
For 25 years, Net25 has been your trusted, family-friendly broadcast network, delivering entertainment and news that inspire positive values for Filipinos and audiences around the globe. Hindi naging madali ang paglalakbay na ito. We face countless challenges, constantly evolving to provide meaningful alternatives and changing times, especially for our youth. Kahit noong pandemya, tuloy-tuloy ang ating serbisyo, making Net25 and Eagle Broadcasting Corporation one of the few uninterrupted broadcast networks in the country. This year, dahil sa inyong walang sawang suporta, our channel ratings have increased by 60%. Average viewership time is up by 40%, and we've expanded our reach by 15% to over 60 million viewers in the Philippines alone. Kasama po kayo sa tagumpay na ito. Maraming salamat po. As we welcome the new year, we remain committed to improving and expanding Net25 for you. Sama-sama po tayong magdiwang ng bagong taon at ang makabuluhang 25 years ng Net25 sa 2025. Mabuhay po kayo at maraming salamat sa inyong pagtitiwala. Sa Panginoong Diyos po ang lahat ng kapurihan.
Maraming salamat, PCRV!